Let's unbox the Body Shop's Box of Wishes Hope Advent Calendar. This Advent calendar is a 24-item box and I'm very excited to open it. I think this is a good gift idea for someone in your life that's into skincare and bath care and who loves taking long, luxurious showers and taking care of their skin. It's actually recommended to also share this gift. So if you want to give this entire thing to someone special in your life, that's of course something that you can do. But also if you want to share it, you can give the individual boxes inside to share more of the fun with more of your friends. If you're someone who's not into surprises, you can actually peep at the back of the box to have an idea of what you're getting. Or if you want to make sure that you're getting your money's worth, the items are actually listed here, but I did not read this because I want to be surprised. So let's open this. Ta-da! So this is a nice illustration. It says here, known for its hydrating properties, the Community Fair Trade Mango Seed Oil in your Box of Wishes Advent Calendar celebrates the women mango collectors of our partners in Chhattisgarh, India, who helped us make it. This Christmas, you are supporting them with fair and regular income opportunities. So, this is actually an illustration of the women mango collectors in India. Actually, at the bottom of this box, there are some pop-up items that will make this illustration 3D. And now let's begin opening all of the items in this 24-item advent calendar. It's going to take us some time. And we can make the box stand up. So exciting. The boxes seem big. Want to see what's inside. If you're a fan of the Body Shop as a brand, this is going to be quite a treat for you. So this is box number 1. Whoop. Box number 1. What's inside is a strawberry shower gel. So here's the strawberry shower gel. It is 60 milliliters. Number 2 is right at the bottom. Let's pry it out. Oops. Ta-da! Here's the box and what's inside. Oh, it looks like a hand cream. It's a British Rose hand cream. Here is the item. So actually, I'm not sure if all of the Body Shop's products are vegan, but it says here that this is vegan. And then we have number 3, again at the bottom. Oops. It's quite light. What is this? Oopsies. Oh, it's a Born Lippy Raspberry. So it's a lip balm in raspberry scent. Number 4. Here's number 4. Box number 4 is also quite light. And what's inside is a shower puff. This is the box. A British Rose shower gel. Also 60 ml. I think this is such a great idea for people who love traveling. You can bring them in your cabin luggage because they're below 100 ml. Box number 6 is a Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. Oh, this is something that you might like to use if you've been very busy these days because of the holiday rush and the social calendar that's very full and you've been breaking out as I am. So you have a tea tree facial wash. It's nice. 7. It's quite a big box. What's in this box? Oh. It's a Satsuma cleansing face and body bar. Number 8 is this is the box. It's a mango body butter. Ta-da! Number 9 is quite light as well. Oh, it's a baby. It's a Shea hand balm in the mini size. It's 10 ml. And then number 10 is this big tall one. Oh, it's a vitamin C glow sheet mask. So if you want to have a spa day at home, this is something that you can put on your face for a few minutes. Number 11 is what is inside. It's another bottle. It's a Shea shampoo. It's a Shea shampoo. It's nice. I mean, at the end of it, you'll be able to complete like at least one travel set of one variant, right? Number 12 is a Shea conditioner. So it's the partner to box number 11. So now we're at the second layer, which is days 13 to 24. Where is number 13? It's right at the bottom. Oops, carefully remove it. Look. The foundation has been broken. This is box number 13. A pink grapefruit shower gel. So if you're someone who's into citrusy scents, that's going to be a treat for you. This small one. Oh, this is a smaller size than the other boxes. Can this be a lip balm? That's my guess. Is this a lip balm? Yes, it is. Oh, it's a lip butter. It's a strawberry lip butter. I wonder what's the difference between a Born Lippy and a lip butter. And, well, it's actually the consistency of the item. So if it's a body butter, a body yogurt, a body lotion, there are a lot of kinds of like the level of moisture you want to get from these items. Number 15. Box number 15. A mango shower gel. So tropical. Number 16, it's another small box. Could it be another lip balm? Oh, it's a fatter pot. It's a Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. It's my first time to encounter this item. Is this a new Body Shop item? I'm so interested in this. Number 17 is this big box over here. It's such a nice box. And it's very light. I wonder what's inside. Oh, it's a claw clip. Wasn't expecting to see a claw clip here since I did not read the back of this box. But I think this is going to be useful when you do your skincare. You can put your hair away from your face. 18, lifting women up. The box is... Oh, what's this one? It's an almond milk shower cream. Number 19. Ah! Let's try to... Okay. Moving on. Number 19. Oh, this is a new one. It's a British Rose shower scrub. So see, this is another shower item, but it's a scrub. So if you want to exfoliate on that day, you have an exfoliator, a body scrub. And number 20, the box actually calls for audience participation because it says wishes for the world, and then you can go write your wishes in here. It's another mask. It's a vitamin E quench sheet mask. So depending on your needs. So earlier we have the vitamin C, which as I remember, according to what I know, vitamin C is something that's brightening. And vitamin E is something that's more moisturizing. This is the box. It's another bar. It's a Shea Cleansing Face and Body Bar. I think we've already completed the Shea product line in this box. Number 22 is a Strawberry Hand Cream 48-hour hydration for your hands. We need this because of course now we are very conscientious about washing our hands and putting on alcohol hand sanitizer, and then we have to moisturize after. This is number 23. It's an avocado shower cream. So I heard a lot of good things about the Body Shop's avocado line. I think I heard that it's very moisturizing, and I'm looking forward to trying that out. And finally, box 24, which we were sorry. As if nothing happened. So box number 24 is something we're supposed to open on December 24th, but because we're opening all of these in one go, we're opening it now. And like, it's almost Christmas anyway. It's an almond milk body butter. Wow, so nice. All of the contents of this box. So that completes our unboxing of the Body Shop Box of Wishes Advent Calendar. I had so much fun opening it, and I'm looking forward to the next coming days because I'm going to be opening more Advent calendars, and I hope that you'll be there to open them with me. Merry Christmas in advance!